Hello, this is a beginner level Sketching for Designers lesson 6. Today we will talk about 3-point perspective, but before that let's make a quick recap on last lesson about 2-point perspective. So 2-point perspective, it has two vanishing points which are right and left vanishing points. Here I make quick sketch to put the object below and in the middle of the horizontal line to create different point of view, with different perspective, different point of view. Okay, I hope you watched this video before. If not, you are welcome to visit my channel and check lesson 2-point perspective and also 1-point perspective lesson. So let's start with the same horizontal line with 2 points, and we'll add third point on the bottom. Actually, this point could be also above the horizontal line, so in this case now we'll put below. And you can start to draw those kind of tracing line to create the place middle of the future object. Connect those lines together with the third point here, and from this third point you need to create the 2 more lines, and as you can see our future object step by step starting to appear on our page. This is a future object. Usually this 3-point perspective using in the comics books, comics illustrations, it's quite unusual perspective that a little bit difficult to understand, and we almost cannot see this kind of perspective in our life, only if you will maybe fly above the skyscrapers, or will stay very high and look down to the street. So as you can see, this is a block like a building from with the top view. So let's make one more quick sketch here. So 2 points on horizontal line, and third one below. Connect. Actually, this point could be much far from the others, and you can put this third point much lower or much higher to create more dynamic and more aggressive, I would say, perspective. You will see further. So let's check the opposite side. What could happen if you put the third point on the top above the horizontal line? Okay, so again okay, my mistake here. Okay, this is the vertical line. Connect with the 2 vanishing point left and right, and create additional lines that going down, and you already can imagine that we are going to see the object from below. So it's almost like stand under the rocket, under the flying the object that's going somewhere in the sky. So let's summarize what is a 3-point perspective. The perspective, it has 3 vanishing points, and I mentioned before this quite unusual perspective that not too many using in daily sketching. Only if you want to create very expressive view that usually illustrators using into for the comics convex illustration. Yeah, so one more time, 1 point, 2nd point, 3rd point, and supported line. Let's make some funny rocket that's flying from the ground. Okay, yeah, quick connect corners with vanishing points. So this will be top of my flying object. Okay, this is the bottom, and then from the top I connecting this with the left vanishing point, and from same point the right vanishing point, and you can see kind of dramatic, very expressive perspective of the object. We can also add some hole in the bottom. Maybe in the future it will be our engine of the rocket. Yeah, let's add more details that also will follow this perspective. So I will suggest you just to just follow these schematic illustrations. Try to understand 3-point perspective. Train your hand. Put the 3rd point in different positions. Put the left and right vanishing points in more close to the center. Change position of the vanishing points to see and understand how it will affect on final perspective, and I'm sure you will quite surprised by your results. So hope you enjoyed this quick summary on 3-point perspective. And yes, I'm looking forward to meet you. Here's our fire. Yeah, it's going up. Soon I will provide the link on my course, beginner course, and more progressive intermediate course on about sketching for designers. That you will find there many new tips, explanations, and step-by-step lessons how to become the professional illustrator or designer in terms of how to sketch. Hopefully we'll touch also some topics about design, about illustrations, about materials, etc. So now let's see how the object will change the appearance according to the position above or below the horizon line. So I want to remind you, we are using 3-point perspective. So now I'm creating the first object that sitting below horizon line here. So you can see the top surface of this block, and then the next one. Let's say I want to stack those objects together, like one above another one. So you can see that top surface here of the second object, it's became less visible, and I'm almost close to the eye view that actually is our horizon line here. So the bottom surface, bottom line of the object became horizontal line, just straight line, but as you can see I'm continue to use those side tracing lines and side supportive line to create 3-point perspective. Okay, so and in this, the third object, you actually cannot see the bottom line, and now the object going to, let's say, fly above the horizontal line, so you will see the bottom surface of the object, and also very again very dramatic, expressive perspective by using 3-point perspective method. Okay, let's put some shading here to show you the bottom of the object. Oops, just recognize the position of my camera a little bit wrong, so I apologize for this. Next time it will be better. Let's make it a little bit bolder with a black marker to create like this. Okay, here I'm just adding some light spot to create the shading on another side. It always helps to make our sketch more attractive and to work on the details and show the details. So yeah, here we use 3-point perspective. That's going down somewhere there. Okay, so this is 1, 2, and 3 below. Again, I'm apologize about my camera position. So yeah, let's see how we can use this 3-point perspective to create the illustrations of the buildings. Here it's kind of pagoda, and one more object, third point below the horizontal line, left and right vanishing points. So after a few times you find that you actually no need to create those lines, and you will feel actually very comfortable to create any perspective without those supporting lines. It's all up to you. You need to exercise and draw more, draw every day, sketch every day. To do this, please follow my channel for inspiration, for tips, and hope you enjoyed this video, and looking forward to see you next time.